DFW Junk Guys Junk Removal Service out here in Grand Prairie, Texas. Show you how we get things done. Very professional. We never do anything that's reckless here, ever. Except this right here. Maddie?
You gave me such a bad angle, bro.
I know. Maddie, bring it raining. Make it rain. This is what happens when you order a dresser removal from the Junk Guys. We're professional. We do everything. Jesus. Dude, I don't want to edit this video. This guy. Hi, Maddie, let it fly. All right. If I had slow motion, I would have done it in slow motion. Notice I didn't even wink, right? You notice that, right? I kept a straight face. Boom.
Snapped in half.
Yeah, of course it was. It's cheap. You what? No. All right, guys, there it is. Dresser removal. Let me check it out. Look at that. Look at that. Maddie. Dresser removal right there, guys. Knocked it out. DFW Junk Guys. Boom. That's how we get things done. Give us a call. DFW. JunkGuysDfw.net. Check us out. 214-777-3095. You need your dresser tossed from the second floor. We can do it, man. It's not that hard. Look at that. A senior did it. Out.